Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Isaac Angel and you're watching Where Are We Going? On today's episode I want to show you how I use the Ecoflow Delta Power Bank as a shore power whenever we're boondocking. Since the Ecoflow Delta can also be charged by solar panels, and I do have a modular 120 volt foldable solar panels, I'm gonna be basically using that to charge this while this becomes my shore power while we're boondocking. So I'll have power indefinitely. So I wanted to share with you this option, and maybe this will help some of you out there who are trying to figure out how to be conservative with your batteries, or not to need to run your generators just to recharge your battery, or having to drive around the block even if it's that an issue. Thank you for watching today. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so other RV lovers can enjoy this video as much as you do. So basically what I'm gonna do is very simple. I'm just gonna, let me show you. I'm just gonna go ahead and detach the electric cable from the rig itself, and I'm gonna run this through the window here. I'm gonna crack open a little window space right at the top and just connect it inside into the power generator. If you have any other options or any other ideas that could help instead of doing it through the window, please let me know. If you know where I could actually run this cable through instead of running it outside, maybe inside, that would also be very helpful. Please do comment below. So basically this is how I ran the cable through that little crack of the window. I could just keep it right there and use an extension cord, but for demonstration purposes I'm just gonna pull the cable a little closer inside, because this is again for demonstration purposes. I put the power bank on the table right by the window behind the driver's seat, and I'm gonna be using a 15 amp regular, it's not gonna be a 30 amp obviously, it's gonna be 15 amp cable that I will attach to the main cable right there, and this basically will go into the generator, I mean the power bank. As you can see, it's got 6 ports behind it, and that's where I'm gonna connect it. So there we go. So I'm plugging this in onto the 15 amp, just like I said, nice and snug, and this goes into the Ecoflow, any of the ports right there. Now that it's connected, I'm gonna turn this on and turn the back side. There's another button right there. There we go. Now it's basically connected to the power bank, just like a shore power. So now let's check the monitors and see if there's any changes in the battery readings. Oh yeah, I'll show it to you. As you can see now, the house battery is charging, and it's pretty much just like it would have been in short power. And as you can see, the microwave is working, and I'm gonna try to turn on these and see if this works. Yep, it works. It's on heater, low heat. It's definitely working. Let's turn that off. As I said, it's working. So while you're boondocking, you don't necessarily have to have solar panels up in the roof if you have like a power bank just like that. And that's how I technically solve the problem. And here we go, and that's the that's my 120 watts solar panel, which I'm going to put the solar panels onto the windshield and have that charge the bank, and indefinite power while boondocking. Problem solved. So it's connected, and now it's charging the power bank, as the power bank creating power for the rig, and everything works in harmony. You can also watch my other video in which I've reviewed the Ecoflow Delta with the solar panel. Hopefully that will give you more details about this system I've built here. I'm gonna leave the links below. So I hope you like this, and hopefully this video helped you or gave you an idea how to solve the power issue and battery problem with boondocking. And if you like this video, again, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, as we'll be providing you more content very soon. All right, take care. See you soon.